Let's catch up now to the always optimistic Alan Nuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at St. Paul Research. We are ready, Alan, for your Trader Talk.
Hello, Angie. That's another snapback attack. Almost all of Monday's drama drop was regained, and this is why we trade options. Limited risk options. Very important, the strategy as much as the stock.
How are your positions coming along, Alan? What can you put in the win column?
All right, let's talk about our current play. August positions, a month of time, and earnings season's ahead, so they could be a stock shock, and I mean that in a good way. We've got Intel, Rocket, and Hewlett-Packard Enterprises. Also Micron. Now Micron is back inside the channel between 75 and 85. Had some readers question what to do with it now. Let's see if it can make a move. It's inside that sideways range that we've been here for now many weeks. Also, the September position we've got is Freeport McMoran. It's fighting the dollar firmness for now.
Tell us about your new trade that you're putting on.
All right, this week's trade trigger, it's a rotation play, as we've seen before. We've seen hot go not, and then not go hot. So right now I'm looking at a China play. China's only up 5% right now over the year, compared to the S&P up 30%. Now, there used to be a very high correlation until March of this year. The last 5 years, the markets moved very much the same. So it's China Life, it's LFC, it's 25% from its top in January. And it hasn't been to these levels since 2006. Bullish divergence is what I'm seeing. The sellers of this stock are running out of strength, and I'm seeing smart money come in. So I'm looking at the October, have some time there, 4 months of time. The October 750 call, deep in the money. Again, it hasn't been down to 750 since 2006. This is a stock that's traded between 10 and 30 roughly over the last 15 years, which targets 20 on the upside. The first stop we want to see is fill some gaps up above. It's dropped from 13 down to 9. Let's even get to that 11 midpoint, and that would be a good start. The break even on this is only $25 higher with some time to go. So again, October $7.50 call.
What do you have to say for your trading day takeaways?
All right, let's talk trading takeaways. Trading takeaway number 1, they had it wrong on rates. The 10-year note yields dropped all the way down to 1.2%. Enough of the hand wringing, people. And that crowded trade has been crushed, like we talked about. And that is great for stocks. Number 2, VIX tricks. We saw Monday sell-off, biggest sell-off we've seen in stocks since last fall, I think. Profit-taking pullback until proven otherwise. Now the VIX went to 25. 25 is still lower than the last high, and it's no biggie. It's been higher than that in January, February, March, May, and now June. All right, 3, profits targets climb. The S&P 4400 and the NDX 15K were the original tech targets. Now with this sell-off and a full V recovery like we've seen every time in history, we see 4550 in the S&P and 15,500 in the NDX, which is another 5% above.
Thank you, Alan, and have a great rest of your trading week.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.